What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best posture corrector in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. FlexGuard Posture Corrector for Women and Men. Back pain and poor posture often go hand in hand. The FlexGuard Posture Corrector helps improve your posture all day long, reducing pain and body fatigue. The corrector is semi-adjustable using pulleys, so you can loosen or tighten the corrector for different activities throughout the day. Our tester loved how adjustable the corrector was and how she could easily move around during use. While the FlexGuard Posture Corrector is comfortable enough to wear all day, it's particularly effective for sitting. The device features a lumbar support pad that provides extra lower back support, perfect for long days at the office or sitting in a car. To use, slide your arms through the device and pull the straps over your shoulders. Secure the waistband using the Velcro fasteners. The device is available in 4 sizes, from XS to XL. Pain relief. FlexGuard Premium Posture Brace helps ease discomfort associated with alignment-related neck pain, slumped shoulders, and herniated discs. Body correction. The posture corrector pulls back your shoulders to help retrain spinal alignment, along with contributing to posture improvement with proper use over time. Comfort. Discreet by design, our back brace for posture sits comfortably under clothes to provide maximum support while not drawing attention. Number 2. Hempvana Aero Posture Fully Adjustable Posture Support. In our test, the Hempvana Aero Posture Corrector ranked best overall after impressing our tester with its superior comfort and adjustability. Made with hemp fiber, it feels lightweight and flexible. The straps are wide and comfortable without digging into your skin. Our tester appreciated how easy the corrector was to put on and take off. I was able to do it in a fraction of time versus other trainers, which you have to adjust like a bra, our tester noted. After slipping the corrector over your shoulders and fastening it around your waist, the Hempvana Aero Posture Corrector gently pulls your shoulders back into proper placement. Overall, our tester was extremely pleased with the Hempvana Aero Posture Corrector and felt highly supported throughout the day. The corrector comes in 2 sizes, small, medium, and large, X large. Our tester also appreciated how easily a person who struggles with mobility could use this corrector. I highly recommend this for people who might be older or have mobility issues, because it's easy to put it on, she said. Made with hemp fiber, Hempvana Aero Posture Back Corrector is made with cannabis hemp fibers that make the posture brace so lightweight and comfortable. Number 3. SOMAZ Adjustable Posture Corrector for Men and Women. Undetectable under clothes. No need to feel self-conscious about wearing SOMAZ brace. The latex-free adjustable design is discreet enough to wear under your shirt or blouse. You can wear a premium posture corrector while at work, home, or out for a night on the town. Back and upper body support. Description. Supporting design helps correct poor posture by pulling shoulders back and providing gentle back support. Prevention of adolescent customary humpback and bend down. Unisex and comfortable design. Our belt is wider and breathable than others, very comfortable to wear. The cushion belt pulls round shoulder back to correct posture, so that your thoracic capacity will expand and your lungs will operate at full capacity. This means the elastic straps would give you the additional shield of stability and support by gently pulling back the shoulders, resulting in straightening of neck, head, and spine. Worry-free after sales. We try our best to bring in excellent products and high-quality service. If any problem with our products, please contact us at any time. Note, please start to wear posture corrector for 15 minutes 20 minutes, increase it for 10 minutes 15 minutes every day, and gradually wear it for 1 minute 2 hours. Please do not wear it during sports or sleeping. Number 4. Gaiam Restore Posture Corrector for Women and Men. The Gaiam Neoprene Posture Corrector is designed to help straighten your shoulders and align your spine, making it extra useful for those with hunched shoulders. The neoprene material is lightweight and breathable, so it is comfortable to wear all day long. The device is also adjustable using Velcro straps and can be worn under or over your clothing. During testing, our tester noted the device's ease of use and comfort. The posture corrector is very easy to put on and adjust without assistance, she said. Also, the fabric is very smooth and easily molds and adjusts to your body. The Gaiam Neoprene Posture Corrector is available in 1 color and size, which fits most adults. The device slips on like a backpack and tightens to your preferred fit using the Velcro straps. By wearing the posture corrector for a short time each day, you can help train your muscles and improve your posture over time. Wear over clothes. Posture corrector brace is effective over or under your shirt. Will not ride up and chafe when wearing the posture corrector under clothes, making this orthopedic device the ideal back brace posture corrector for a straight back. Number 5. Doctor-developed posture support. Featuring wide, supportive straps and a comfortable, adjustable design, the Dr. Arthritis Posture Corrector was developed by spine doctors to alleviate back pain and improve posture. Its non-slip, durable design is ideal to use when you're standing or moving and can be worn all day long for posture support. Our tester noted how easy the Dr. Arthritis Posture Corrector was to put on once you're used to it and how comfortable it felt. The fabric is soft yet supportive, and the device doesn't rub or chafe against the skin. The Dr. Arthritis Posture Corrector is available in 3 sizes, from small to large. There are also 2 color options, black and pink. The Corrector uses an adjustable strap system for a premium, tailored fit around your shoulders and upper back. Through regular use, the brace may help relieve discomfort and pain associated with scoliosis, spondylolisthesis, and other spinal conditions that affect posture. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you more information or if you want to know product price, do check of my description box for any kind of problem. Comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.